If you're looking for a simple way to collaborate in ClickUp without paying extra for full members, this tutorial is just for you. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to invite free guests, not members, into your ClickUp workspace. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to share tasks and projects with clients, freelancers, or anyone outside your team using only guest access. It's a perfect way to keep things secure and budget-friendly, and I'll break down each step so you'll feel totally confident when you try it yourself. Alright, let's dive in and get started. First, look down to the bottom left of your ClickUp screen. You'll see the invite button. It's usually next to your workspace settings. Go ahead and give that a click. This is the main place you'll invite anyone from inside ClickUp. When you click Invite, a window will pop up asking for the email address of the person you want to add. Now, this is the point where many people rush ahead, but there's one crucial detail. Before you hit Invite, you want to make sure you're not inviting them as a member. Instead, we want that guest access. So take a second here. Notice there should be an option to set the role of the invitee. It might look like a drop-down or a toggle next to their email entry. Select Guest. What this does is ensure your invitee only gets access to the specific tasks, folders, or lists you want to share, while keeping your workspace secure and saving you from using up paid member slots. Guests are great for clients who just need to provide feedback or for collaborating on just a few tasks. Once you've set their role to guest, go ahead and hit that invite button. Depending on your internet connection and ClickUp speed, this part may take a few moments, so don't worry if there's a short delay. Your guest will receive an email with the invitation to join your workspace, with limited access, of course. Now let's talk about how to double-check or manage your guests once they're invited. At the top right corner of ClickUp, you'll see your profile icon. Give that a click. From here, head into Settings. The Settings area can look a little intimidating if it's your first time here, but stay with me. Find the section called People. This is where you can see everyone who's currently added to your workspace. If you need to add more guests later on, you can do it right from this section. There's usually an Add or Invite button here as well, and when you're adding someone, remember to set their role to guest just like before. If you accidentally invite someone as a member, don't stress. You can usually edit their role here and switch them over to guest. So that's the process in a nutshell, but let me quickly note why these extra steps matter. Guest access means less risk of someone accidentally seeing private data, and you're not wasting paid seats on people who don't really need full member privileges. It's kind of like giving someone a visitor's badge at your office instead of a master key. They get just what they need to come in and help out. If you ever run into any confusion, take a moment to reread the emails or notifications ClickUp sends during this process. They almost always let you know exactly how much access someone has. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that you're feeling ready to invite guests into your ClickUp workspace with total confidence. If you have any questions or need extra help, drop me a comment below. I always respond. And if you'd like more step-by-step guides like this, hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Good luck with your collaboration.